It's been about a year that Realme introduced its Realme Buds Air 2 true wireless earphones in the market. Now, it looks like company is all set to launch a successor in the Indian market. According to the latest report, the Realme Buds Air 3 could get launched in India very soon, but the exact launch date is not confirmed. Along with this, some of the key features and specifications of the upcoming TWS earbuds have leaked online. In terms of design, they will have design similar to the Buds Air 2. For the active noise cancellation feature, the earbuds will have a triple microphone array, which will also support transparency mold. The size of the charging case for the earbuds also seems to have been significantly reduced. It is also claimed that the users will have to go through app-based testing, which will generate a customized user experience. The users will also be able to further customize the overall experience as per their preferences. There will also be a dual device connection, which, as the name itself indicates, allows users to connect the product to two different devices simultaneously and allow users to switch between those devices with just a simple tap. Along with the low latency game mode, the Realme Buds Air 3 will also come with support for the Bass Boost Plus mode. It will also have in-ear detection, which can pause the audio playback when the earbuds are taken out or not worn by the user. It is going to offer around 30 hours of usage with the charging case, and the active noise cancellation feature turned off. There will be a USB Type-C port for charging the product. While the exact launch date of the Realme Buds Air 3 is not yet revealed, the device is expected to get launched in the Indian market pretty soon, maybe in the coming weeks. As for the pricing, it is likely to be priced under 4,000 rupees or $54. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for update.